Hi, I'm John Velie, immigration attorney, lead counsel for Velie Global Law, and CEO of Online Visas. I know a lot of you might be worried about the new Trump administration and the impact on immigration. There's a lot of reasons to have that concern, from the rhetoric and discussion from President Trump and others in his inner circle. However, most visas are going to be fine, and you really need to look at them in a one-by-one basis. There's no policies that have changed a lot of the basic visas that people apply for, the employment-based visas, the family-based visas. You still can get those types of visas. What you should do is look at your situation and look at the visas and talk to an attorney to find out whether or not you still meet those qualifications, instead of just freezing and not going forward. Immigration is a legal pathway. Immigration has not had massive layoffs of its employees the way some other agencies have, and you can still get these visas. We've been through this before. In the last Trump administration, some of the visas saw a really negative downturn. For example, the H-1B visa, a fairly straightforward visa, had an 88% approval under the Obama administration, but it dropped to as low as 60% approval under Trump. We went from a 98% approval to about a 95%. How did we do that? Well, one of the reasons that we had success during the last Trump administration, and we think we'll have success again during this administration, is because we brief. What I mean by that is a lot of other immigration attorneys will write a table of contents and leave the interpretation of the evidence up to USCIS or the State Department. What we do when we brief is remember that we're attorneys, and what attorneys do is they frame the evidence and the issues in the law. What I mean by that is we look at the plain language of the regulations, we look at the policies. When the last Trump administration came in, they changed some of the policies. As they changed policies, we changed our strategies to comply with those policies. So if they change again, we'll do it again, right? If laws change, we'll deal with that and we'll argue along those ways. Not just for our initial case, get requests for evidence or even denials, or we need to litigate. A lot of times the laws that changed last time were not passed lawfully. They were policies passed very quickly. They did not go through the notice and comment, and a lot of those things were undone through the courts. There was a lot of cases that came out in the Trump administration, especially around the H-1B and other visas, such as the IT Serve case, XTC, and a number of the other cases that changed how the Trump administration was adjudicating cases and made it more fair. So we're looking at that again. We'll see what's coming down the pipe. We'll look at it. We'll help adjudicate our cases appropriately, and we're pretty sure we'll have a good success rate. Again, if you need to contact us about your case, go to onlinevisas.com and set up a strategy session, or email me at john@velielaw.com. That's V as in Victor, ELIELAW.com. You can send our team an email at information@velielaw.com, or give us a call, 405-310-4333. I'm John Velie. Hang in there. We'll help you with your immigration needs.